What's the meaning of brainstem? Brainstem. Brainstem.
Brainstem. Brainstem. The brainstem is a structure located at the base of the brain that serves as a connection between the brain and the spinal cord. It controls many essential functions that are necessary for survival, including breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and swallowing. The brainstem is made up of three parts: the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the midbrain. Any damage or injury to the brainstem can be life-threatening as it can affect critical functions in the body. Understanding the role of the brainstem is essential for diagnosing and treating neurological disorders and injuries.